So today we're unpacking Praise to the Lord the Almighty, and this one I play in the key of C. And like the other hymns that I've posted there, in terms of right hand technique, it's essentially just pinches. We're not really doing much of any fingerstyle pattern on this. We're just kind of pinching the strings that go with the melody. So it's pretty much on every word of every lyric you have a chord change. So we'll begin with the C here, and I'm just pinching the A string in the top three strings. And actually I should ignore the top string because the melody is this. Praise to goes to an A minor. This is kind of a G without the lowest string. Praise to the Lord, the Almighty. So let's do that again. Praise A minor, G, C. And this is kind of a I've got the B note there with a D down here. A minor, E minor, F, and on this I'm just pinching the four lowest strings. E minor, pinching the four lowest strings. F, pinching just the lowest four strings. And here I'm putting a G note there with just on the bass, and I'm pinching this along with the G and the B strings. Then A minor. Then this is actually a D minor kind of chord with an F in the bass. So we've got F. And then I'm just pinching these three middle strings together, which is 3, 2, 3. And then I play one passing tone here. So this is an F here. So we'll go over that again. C, A minor, G, C. And I'm just pinching the three strings there. A minor, E minor, F, E minor, F. Just the G bass note there, and pinching the two, the G and the B string as well. A minor, D minor, and then this is the passing tone, F there, C. And then this is a G, this is a C with a G note here. And this is a G. I'm just pinching the A string with the B note there, and then the two top strings. So, and this is a G here. Or pardon me, it's an F. It's an F. And I'm just playing it as a broken chord with the three notes here. So I'm not playing the first two strings. I'm just pinching this note here, F. And then if you were looking at it in tablature, it'd be 3, 5, X, 5. So. And then C. So this is sort of like an A minor, or it's like it's not like an A minor. I'm pinching the open D string to X1. So open to, I'm not playing, I'm not pinching the B string at all, just the top string on the F note. Then to a G. This is like an A minor 7th with a G note here, and I'm not playing the G string. So if you're looking at this in tablature, it would be 2X 1 3. 2, not playing the G string. 1. And this is the chord again, that is just, I'm just pinching the 3 strings, the D string, the A there, and then X, and then the top. And then B, X, I'm not playing the D string there. I'm just pinching the G string open, D, so and I play a passing tone in there. I play the B note after the pinch. So play this again. C, and I'm just pinching the top 3 strings there. I'm using the C position here, but I'm not really. I've got my finger fretted here, but I'm not playing that. And this again is, we've got B, open, G, D. So. And then the last part, I'm just kind of, I start with an E minor, I'm just pinching. Pinching the E string, and then this E there. So E minor, F, G, just the bass note there, and I'm pinching the G string and the B string along with it. A minor. This is again a D minor here with an F in the bass. And I'm 3 2 3. This is an E, broken E chord. I'm just playing the bass E note, and I'm pinching the top 3 strings. And then again the G with just pinching the open strings there, and the passing tone F. So that's pretty much it. So I hope you've enjoyed this lesson, and give it a like if you like it. Thank you very much.